Hello everyone, my name is Nazrin Mohammed and I am the Technical Mentor for SeamlessX. As the Technical Mentor, I provide guidance to participants of Showcase projects on their technical work and presentation. Showcase Projects is an ongoing program by SeamlessX that provides opportunities for early career talent to work on hands-on projects. Projects are crafted on a case-by-case basis depending on the interests and skills of the participants and SeamlessX's requirements. Participants can be students still undergoing their studies or those who have just recently graduated. If you are interested to apply to do a showcase project with SeamlessX, reach out to connect@seamlessx.com. For now, please enjoy this presentation.
Hello, my name is Rifqi and I am currently working at SeamlessX as a junior developer. This is my presentation for my showcase project with SeamlessX. Okay, so the project that I did is Tender Web Scraper, which can be used to scrape tenders data from website. You may be wondering how this project would help, so here's the thing. Currently, we are gathering the tenders data from the websites manually and we will need to verify the tender keywords to be suitable for our company. And we also need to check every day on the websites. These actions would consume our time and it is a repetitive actions. Next, the goals of this project is to automate the process daily so that we won't have to do this every day and to also save a lot of time. This would benefit greatly in work efficiency as we can do other stuff with the time we spent going through the tender websites. Next, we will proceed to the next slide. So how is it done? I'm using Puppeteer to scrape the websites. Puppeteer is a tool for web scraping, so if any of you want to do web scraping, I highly recommend Puppeteer. Google API and Slack API is also used to append to Google Sheets and to send out notification as message to Slack. In this project, I also use Jasmine as a unit testing to test the filtering system to make sure it works as intended. And the program will keep running and will repeat the process every minute. Surely the timer can be modified to be longer or shorter. It will only stop if the user stops the program. Next, we will talk about the challenges that I faced while developing this project. One of the challenges were each website uses different elements, different tender listings. Some data will have to be scraped from multiple pages and some tenders will have to be scraped from an external link. So I have to code different ways of obtaining the data for each website. For example, some data can be scraped from only one page, but some data will have to be scraped from an external link or multiple pages. So I will have to code the coding for getting the data from external links or by simulating the pages navigating to scrape from multiple pages. And the next challenge that I faced was to code the new data checking logic for the program. I was having a hard time doing it since I have never done it before and I had to think of a way the program can detect that there is any data available. The way that I did it currently is I store the data that is already checked inside a variable, and the next time the program runs, if the data that is going to be filtered is inside the variable, then it won't trigger the notification. Surely there is room for improvements on this part of the code, but currently this is what I managed so far. Next, I will show you the demo of the program. Hello everyone, my name is Khairul and in this video I will demonstrate on how the web scraper program works. In this demo, I will be using the TM web scraper to scrape the tender from TM website. To run the TM web scraper, I will have to run the command npm run scrape tm and press enter. What this will do is it will open a browser and start the scraping process. Before I run the scraper, let me set the headless mode to false. What this will do is that the browser will run in non-headless mode, which means that you can see the browser doing the automated process. But if you run in headless mode, you won't see the browser but the process is still running, meaning that there won't be any user interface if you set the headless mode to true. Okay, I have set the headless mode to false. Now let me run the scraper. Okay, I have executed the command and now the program will clear the current spreadsheet and the browser will pop up and start scraping from the website. The scraper is not limited to TM website only. You can edit the source to scrape from another website too, since I coded things in a modular way. After it is done scraping, it will start the filtering process, which will check whether the tender matches with the keywords or not. And then it will be output to Google Sheets and will send a notification on Slack if there is any data available. You can also set the program to output to database, but you will need to modify the current code since I configured the current code to output to Google Sheets. So now we just have to wait for the process to be done. Okay, now the process is done. Let me stop the program. Okay, so the Google Sheets, the data is output to Google Sheets. And now let's check whether the notification is sent. Here. Okay, so the notification is sent. There's no data available from the end. So the data consists of tender name, publish date, PDF link, tender summary, and filter checker. The filter checker will check whether the tender matches with keywords or not. If it matches, it will be output here as pass. If it doesn't match, it will output here as fail. Okay, I think that's all for the demo video. Thank you for watching my showcase project video.
We hope you have enjoyed that presentation. If you'd like to learn more about Showcase projects or if you'd like to apply yourself, reach out to connect@seamlessx.com.